Hello all. In this video, I'm going to walk through to find out existing Hive tables and Iceberg tables in your Hive catalog. So in the previous video, we started a Hive Docker container and then we logged into the Docker and queried some tables here. So now let's do that. Okay. And then if you look at here, the name of the container is Postgress is here, or you can also use ID. Okay, then bash. Okay, so now I connected to the Docker, right? Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect to the Metastore. Okay, now we connect the Metastore, and then if you look at, okay, give me all the tables. Okay, these are Hive tables. Remember last time we created a Hive tables. Then let's look at table params, okay? And now if you look at here, the table params provides information about your Iceberg tables, okay? So then select star from table.table params, and then if you here, okay, the table Iceberg, and then the location, the table one is an Iceberg table. We created an Iceberg table, table one, and then location of the metadata JSON, right? So this way you can find out. So let's go to table params, right? And you can find out location of your table. Now let's say you have a table one. Okay, I look at the table one ID. Then table two, there is another table, right? So this is very important. Right here, you have just table names, but when you go here, then the location of your metadata JSON. Now let's go to that directory. So we need to learn about, okay. So here, you know, this configuration is done through your Spark session. Then do less, okay. Sorry. Okay, now you have a Metastore CD, then, okay, so now you will see the metadata. We will look at the metadata JSON later. So importantly here, so tables and table params. The table params is very important. If you lost this table and then basically you don't have entry here, and then you lost the Iceberg table. And so some reason if you lost this table, okay, but then you can create these entries, right? And through register the table. We'll look at that one. So we will practice one of the example. We're going to delete entries from this table. Then we will practice how to register. Okay, delete from this table where table ID equal to 1. But then somebody came log into this database and then deleted this row, right? And then how do you restore this row? Right, number 2 row here, for example, how to restore that. We will practice that. That is how, oops, I dropped my table, how to restore it. And then we will look at that, okay? But yeah, important here is your connect to your Hive. So here we are using a Docker, but if you are in your company, then you might be using a non-Docker mode. Then you connect to PLSQL, and then query the tables and the table params is important. So these two tables are important for Iceberg table. Okay. Yeah, remember that. So that's the reason I explicitly added this information along with the Hive. So otherwise, if you don't know where this information is stored, why we need this Metastore, right? When you need a persist mechanism, let's say your data is on the disk, but what is the table name? Somebody has to give the table name. So that's where the table name is coming through Hive. Yes, in the Hadoop catalog, the table name is coming from the disk, but we don't want that in production things because too many users are connecting, then it's difficult to manage concurrency on the disk. So that's why you use a database-based catalog. So here, the database is Postgres. Okay, thank you.